Hi, my name's Tom Rycliff, Calypso Carwash and Detail Center. We're a Dr. Headlight representative. We've been using the system for almost 3 years now. Great system. Never had a vehicle come back. Perfect, like this Mercedes right here. Perfect clarity. We've tried 3 to 4 other different systems: wet sanding, buffing. Also sanding and trying to just brush it clear on, and none of the systems have ever worked. We've had a lot of customers come back. But with the Dr. Headlight process, we're satisfied. They come out perfectly clear every time, and we have a great customer feedback on them.